nipples on her, but not really.
Right.
Sorta.
Sorta.
Any people want anything in there?
I think that bag may be empty, little pumpkin.
Empty.
Did you like what was in it?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna look at this for a little bit. I have some of these. Just some more. Some of these pups. See, like I have that one with the thing on its, the ball on its head.
Yeah.